Hello everyone, what I'm going to explain is backed by the mechanics working in this shop, so there's no need to worry. This can be fixed. When your Hyundai or Kia shows the message, press start button while turning wheel, what the system is basically trying to tell you is, hey, the steering wheel isn't unlocking like it should when you try to start the car. This warning appears on vehicles with a smart key and push-button start-stop system, and it happens because the steering lock isn't releasing properly when you press the start button. The first tip mechanics in this shop always give is the most obvious one. Turn the steering wheel while pressing the start button. Yep, that's literally what the car is asking you to do. Many people say that just doing this makes the message go away and the car starts normally. It's like teaching the steering wheel who's boss. Now, sometimes the message shows up even if you do everything correctly. Here's where the electronics come in. Several users report that the steering lock system can get confused due to software or sensor errors, especially if you left the wheel turned to one side when parking or after a long drive. In these cases, the steering wheel doesn't know it should unlock, and the warning appears even if there's no actual physical problem. If turning the wheel and pressing start doesn't work, many recommend disconnecting the battery for a few seconds and reconnecting it. This resets the electronics, and often the message disappears like magic. It's like telling the car, take a deep breath and start over. In some more stubborn cases, the problem persists, and you'll need to take it to a shop or dealership. They'll check sensors, steering lock modules, or even the communication with the smart key. Some mechanics say that a quick professional inspection and reset solved what seemed like a huge drama.